Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to verify your Quotex account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to verify your Quotex account, all you need to do is simply tap open your Quotex app. So once you open it, simply tap on the profile icon, and once you do so, you will find the email section which is unverified. So simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, you will receive an activation link in your email. Simply tap on Quotex email sent in your mail and simply tap on the link. Then to confirm it, you need to type in your email address and your password to get web logged in Quotex. So after you do so, you will simply get signed in into your account, and once you get signed in through the website that has been sent through the link, your Quotex account will now be verified. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.